Hello.
Hello. Hi, Joe.
Good evening. Hi, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
How are you? I'm good. And how are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you. So, can you start by telling me
How is
how
your day?
your
How is your day? Yeah,
my day was good. It was quite busy, so yeah. How was yours?
it was a good.
Hmm. Did you have to go to work or anything special?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you do
No
anything
anything
special
special. Yeah,
today?
same like that. You can.
Okay, just a
No
normal day.
anything special. Yeah, same like that. Continue. Yeah, normal
Hmm.
day. Yeah.
Okay, so let's begin with the session. The topic for today is
Yeah.
medicines. Were you able to
Medical.
go
Yeah.
through the documents once?
Yeah, I saw. Yeah. One time I saw it in document.
Okay, okay. So okay. So I'm gonna ask you some questions, and you have to answer them in whichever way you like. Okay. So do you believe
Yeah.
in modern medicines or natural medicines? Do you know the difference
Yeah,
between the two?
I'm believe, but I'm not 100% believe.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe both medicine. Yeah, both medicine. I believe. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, the old person also is. I think I was. I think before 15 years, 16 years, only is
Hmm.
natural medicine available. Then is
Yeah.
every person is a fitness. Also fitness. Now also fitness, but lot now is a lot of problem in face
Hmm.
every person. But I think before 15 year, yeah, 16 year above, it seems like it. But every person is fitness. Not lot of problem face every person. But now is
Every
medical also team is better. Yeah, better
yeah,
available. But lot of problem face.
everyone
Yeah,
is fit. Everyone is fit.
yeah. Everyone is
Okay.
fit. Yeah,
So you're trying to say that back then in the olden times, um, we had less diseases. Humans had less diseases. So natural medicine worked.
yeah, yeah. Natural. Yeah, medicine will work. I think I heard
And
about.
do you think now natural medicines are effective?
Now I think I think every person is a fast. I think not believe. I like that is a natural medicine. I think is a lot of time is waste like that is a 1 year 2 days. But is a like that is a modern. I think 1 year 2 days. Yeah, 1 year 2 hours is it. And take it is a modern. Every person you use. You know, ma'am.
No, I didn't quite understand. Can you please rephrase what you're trying to say?
I think it's natural. I think in natural medical. I think it's sometimes is a expand. Then you is a best year not best effect or not effect. I think 1 year 2 days or 3 days or 4 days like that. Then you effect and not effect is comfortable. Then like it modern. I think 1 year 2 hour is a take it. Then is a fit. Yeah, is a like it is a normal.
Okay, so you're
You
trying to
know.
say that modern medicine is effective immediately.
I- Immediately, yeah,
Okay,
immediately action and yeah is a fit like is a normal. But in natural, I
okay.
think
It
is
takes
spend a
time.
lot of time, like 3 days. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
take the time. Yeah, take the time.
so it's effective long term. You have to take it for
Yeah, long
many
term. Yeah,
days to
effective
see the
long.
effect, right?
Yeah, yeah. Many
Okay.
days.
Um, okay. So, okay, tell me, do you think pharmaceutical companies create more problems than they solve? As in, for medicines, let's say we take a medicine, okay? But even though that will heal
Yeah,
someone's disease or problem, it will also cause side effects. So, do you think we
yeah,
should take medicines then because we'll get side effects then?
yeah. It's a lot of side effect. Yeah, I know. Is a lot of every person. Yeah, any person is take the medicine is side effect also, and is a health problem also. Yeah, is a, okay. Is a immediately is a fit, but after
Hmm.
is a problem face. Yeah, is a other anything problem face. Yeah, other health issue. Like that, is a okay, is a detect the, I think is a one finger. Is a take the action, yeah, immediately. Is a okay, but is after is a side effect anything, yeah.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
lot of side effect, yeah.
And can you tell me any invention or discovery that you know of that has benefited medicines a lot, like the research in medicines or making medicines? Do you know any sort of
No,
discovery or invention?
no, I'm not, no, no, I'm not watched the any discovery now. I'm doing the work and lot of time I'm busy. I'm doing the hard
Okay,
work. Yeah. Then I'm
okay.
not watch. I'm not available in yes. My room is a LCD. Any TV is available. Yeah.
Hmm.
Sometimes I'm
Uh,
sitting then I watch the, yeah.
okay. So, do you think one day maybe robots can replace doctors?
No, no, no. I think it is not Robert. Robert is not is a suitable in a checkup in is a like that is a insan like that is a. I think is a not Robert is not fit. I like is a natural anything. Like that machine doing the work is a, like okay. He's comfortable. Any work is a, like that. He's a every person. Lot of people is doing the work. I think he was he will be continue the work 1 month then you complete and Robert one day is complete but he is okay comfortable but he is a not medical team is better I know
Okay, but
you
do you
know ma'am.
think robots can do operations on patients? Because there have been instances, there have been examples where robots and
Yeah,
machines have conducted operations. So do you think they can do operations and replace doctors one day?
no, no, I think he is okay, he is okay lot of machine use but only is any doctor is a use the anything part is operation is a doctor anything but he is not robot is fully is okay he is some help in a robot say anything machine is a small parts of anything machine lot of machine is came is available in suitable in doctor not is only part of anything is operation in is robot my thinking.
Okay. And do you think there is a margin of error in while practicing medicine? Like, do you think doctors are allowed to make mistakes sometimes, or it's wrong?
Yeah, I know. I think every person, yeah, yeah, he's no, I think every person is mistake sometime. Yeah, is a no
Makes
in
mistakes
doctor field,
sometimes.
any field is a, yeah, sometimes is mistake. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So, do you think if a doctor is like, if a doctor is performing an operation and the patient dies, like the
yeah,
patient dies, do you think the family should blame the doctor?
yeah, yeah. He's a doctor. Yeah, he's a condition. Is a sometimes is a I think India is a lot of the doctor is a only is a not interested. Either take the is a take it the kidney. Is a okay. Is a I think he try the better try. Is a perfect. But he is a remove the kidney. Is a die. Then he is believe. Yeah, I know believe. But I think I stay there in other country. Is a doctor is safe. I think is better improve. Like that coronavirus. You heard about is coronavirus. India is a lot of people in die. But other countries same like that. Same like that situation, but no any people in die. Yes, I'm a stay in Oman.
Hmm.
Yes, same like that condition in Oman also, but not any people in die. Yeah, not oxygen.
Okay.
He want not oxygen. But India is every person is a want in oxygen. But yeah, I know. I'm believe in doctor, but some doctor is not better. I think he thinking.
Hmm.
I think he invest a lot of money. Then you study in higher. Like it is a 50 lakh rupees in donation. Then you join the. Yeah, he's a admission will be a start. Yeah, he's a admission. Then he's a take the anything. I think I'm not believe it in India. But other countries same like that. Yeah, some people told you the other country same like that position, but he is a better. Yeah. Then I believe he's either die. Then his situation is bad. He take the action. Yeah, sure. But India government is
Hmm.
not take the action. Yeah.
Okay, and you believe in health insurance and medical insurances? Do you have health insurance?
Yeah. Is a health insurance, but India is not comfortable. I think India is not valid anything. Is okay? Is a health insurance okay? But is I think go there a lot of time is then use a lot of time based not came to money or anything. Yeah.
So when you fall sick, do you take medicines yourself or do you go to a doctor? Like, for example, if you have fever, will you just take
No.
crocin or will
I'm
you?
in. No. I'm go. Yeah, I go to doctor. Suggest to doctor. Yeah.
Okay, even if it's a small illness, stomach pain, fever, cold, cough, you go to a doctor.
No. I'm some is not, some problem is like that is natural. Is a like that is a at the hot milk and is a hot milk take it is a I think is yellow anything is a milawat then you take it. It is normal.
Hmm.
It's called like some
And
issue is not. I go there in a doctor. I go to doctor, but is a lot of problem. Then I go to in doctor. Yeah.
hmm. And do you think healthcare is very expensive? Like going to a doctor, all of that. Do you think it's very expensive and not everyone can afford it?
One more time, repeat. Expensive, lot of expensive. Yeah, you tell me
Do you
expensive.
think do you think doctors, their fees, buying medicines, going to the hospital, do you think that is very
Yeah,
expensive or do you think it's cheap?
cheap. Yeah, I think yeah, is like that. You go to like that is government sector, like the government hospital. Is a cheap, but you private, you go there anywhere in private is a expensive. Yeah, India is other countries also same like that. Yeah,
But do you think better health care is given in
is a
private?
private. Is a better in private. Yeah,
Better in
in
private.
better in private.
So
Yeah,
do you prefer to go
government
to, yeah,
private. Yeah, I'm
you prefer
preferring
to
any
go,
people. Yeah, in
hmm.
private. Yeah, any people is go there in private. Yeah, I'm prefer.
And do you think the conditions of government hospitals, they need to improve so everyone can afford them, so the quality is good?
Government is qualities I think is not good. Yeah,
No,
his
so
knowledge is better. Doctor is government is knowledge is better, but is not is a care every patient.
hmm,
Doctor is not care is a every patient. Is only time pass. Yeah, like that is a okay. He's a doctor. Is other places clinic open. Then is a here is a, every time is a waste in is a private clinic. Not a
hmm,
came to is a government clinic. Sometimes it's not came every day. He's a lot. He's I think 1 week or 2 week, one time or two time it came.
hmm.
You
Yeah,
know,
that
ma'am,
is
in
that
India.
yeah, that is a problem in government hospitals.
Yeah, government
Okay,
sector. Yeah.
do you have any questions for me or any clarifications that you need? Because our session is about to get over. So,
No, anything.
okay, any clarifications, any doubts, anything of that sort?
No, anything. Dot is I think better.
Okay. Okay then, Dhruv, have a good night. Bye.
Okay, I have an item.